Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over all of the good deals that are going on at Dollar General this week. Plus, we have a huge glitch list with new glitches to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, so first up, just in case anybody missed it, I have already uploaded 2 other Dollar General videos for you all this week, so if you want to go and check those out, I'll have them linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so jumping right in, we're going to go over a few food deals. First up, we have the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs. They're on sale this week, 3 for $12, and we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon on the Pepsis, so if you want to pick up 3 of those, that's going to leave you paying $11 for 3. Now, if you just want to pick up one of the Pepsi 12 packs, those are priced at $6.95, so after that coupon is applied, you're going to pay $5.95. Now, we also have the Coca-Cola and Sprite 6 packs. They're on sale this week, 3 for $11. And then we also have the Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, A&W, and 7-Up 2 liters. They're on sale, 3 for $3. Next up, we have General Mills cereals. They're on sale this week, 2 for $6. And we have a 1-off-2 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $5 for 2. We also received a 75-cent off 1 digital coupon on the Totino's pizza rolls. Those are priced at $5.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5. Now, we also have a 1-off-1 digital coupon on the Tyson's chicken tenders, so these are priced at $7.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.95. Next up, we have a $1.50 off 2 digital coupon on the Yoplait yogurt, so these are priced at $3 each. Pick up 2 and use that coupon. You're going to pay $4.50 for 2. Now, next up, we have a sale on the Jif peanut butter and the Smucker's strawberry jam. These are on sale this week for $4 each, and we have a 1-off-1 coupon for each of those, so that's going to leave you paying $3 each. Next up, we have a 75-cent off digital coupon on the Goldfish crackers. These are priced at $4.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. Alright, now next up here is a new digital coupon that just showed up on my account this morning. It is a 2-off 10 on select products. So there's a lot included in this, but we do have Chef Boyardee products, Armor, and Manwich. The cheapest one that I could find was on the Chef Boyardee. These are priced at $1.35 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $8.80 for 8 cans. Alright, next up we have a $1.50 off one for the Hostess Bouncers. These are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Alright, next up we have a little deal on the 8-ounce Reese's miniature pouches. We have a 1-off-2 manufacturer coupon and a 2-off-7 DG store coupon. Both of those are stacking, and that's going to leave you paying $4.50 for 2. Alright, now we're going to move on into our household deals. First up, we have the Glad Kitchen trash bags. These are on sale this week, 2 for $10. Now, we also have a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon on the Glad trash bags, but these are on the larger count. These are priced at $9.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $8.25. Alright, next up, we have a 3-off-1 digital coupon on the Tide laundry products. These are priced at $9.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.95. Now, if you didn't receive that 3-off-1, you probably have a 2-off-1 digital coupon on your account, and after that one's applied, that's going to leave you paying $7.95. Alright, next up, we have a $3.50 off 1 digital coupon on the Bounce dryer sheets. If you want to pick up the 130 count, these are priced at $9.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.45. Alright, next up, we have a 3-off-1 digital coupon on the fabric care products. Y'all can pick up the Gain fabric softener, the Downy fabric softener, or the Scent beads. All of these are priced at $12.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $9.95. Alright, next up, we have a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon on the Almighty packs. These are on sale this week for $4.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Alright, next up, we have a $6.50 off 2 digital coupon on the Microban sprays. 15 ounces, these are priced at $6.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $7 for 2. Now, we also received a $3.25 off 1 digital coupon for the 15-ounce microbans. Again, they're priced at $6.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Now, we also received a 6-off 2 digital coupon for the 12.5-ounce microban sprays. These are priced at $6, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 2. And we also received a 3-off-1 for that same product, so if you just want to pick up one of them, use that coupon. That's going to leave you paying $3. Next up, we have a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon for the finished products. So if you want to pick up the 12-count dishwasher tablets, these are priced at $3.85. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. Next up, we have $3.25 off 2 digital coupon on the Mr. Clean products. So these are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25 for 2. Now, we also have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon on the Lysol products. So if you want to pick up the all-purpose cleaners, these are priced at $2.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $2. Next up, we have a $1.75 off 1 digital coupon on the Airwick products. So if you want to pick up the Airwick starter kits, these are priced at $3.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Now, I do want to go ahead and take a quick second to point out that we do have holiday scents in the Airwick and the Febreze products, and those are currently, I believe, at around 30% off right now. So, if you want to use your coupons on those products, that really turns out to be a good deal. But if you all hold off and wait a few more days, I do believe that these prices will drop. Usually that's what happens, and we end up with free products plus overage. So, that is totally up to you. Do as you wish, but just a heads up, just a little quick warning, you guys could end up with some free products plus overage here in a few days. All right, so moving right along, we have a $3.30 off 2 digital coupon on the Febreze products. These are priced at $3.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.20 for 2. Now, if you can find the Forest Febreze 1-count car clips, these are priced at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.70 for 2. All right, next up, we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon on the Angel Soft 8-count Mega Rolls. These are priced at $5.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. Now, we also have a 1-off-1 digital coupon on the Sparkle 6-count paper towels. These are priced at $6.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.95. And we also received a 1-off-1 digital coupon on the Puffs Tissue 4-count boxes. These are priced at $5.90, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.90. All right, now we're going to move on into our personal care deals. So first up, we have a 3-off 2 digital coupon on the Head & Shoulders. If you want to pick up the eucalyptus scent, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 2. Next, we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon on the Dial Body Wash. If you want to pick up the 11-ounce bottles, those are priced at $3.45. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.45. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon on the Nivea lotions. These start out at $5 each, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. All right, next up, we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon on the L'Oreal Paris skincare products. So we have the Wrinkle Expert Eye Treatment. These are priced at $8.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. Next, we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon on the Maybelline products. So if you want to pick up the mascaras, those are priced at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. All right, moving right along, we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon on the Playtex and Carefree liners. If you want to pick up the 54-count liners, those are priced at $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. All right, next up, we have a 3-off-2 digital coupon on the U-Back Kotex products. So if you want to pick up the liners, those are priced at $3.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.30 for 2. However, this deal does get even better because right now on Fetch Rewards, we have a 1,500-point bonus, which is the equivalent of $1.50. That is going to make your final price $2.80 for 2. Plus, we also have another bonus for when you spend $30, you're going to earn back 5,000 points, which is the equivalent of $5. So don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards app. And if you're not already signed up, our referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. All right, next up, we have a $3.50 off 1 digital coupon on the Dollar Shave Club products. So if you want to pick up the 4-count refills, those are priced at $8.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. Next up, we have a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon on the Advil products. So if you want to pick up the 24-count, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Now, we also have a 3-off-1 digital coupon on the children's Advil products. So these are priced at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We also have a 2-off-1 digital coupon on the Motrin. So if you want to pick up the 20-count, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Now, we also received a 3-off-1 digital coupon on the Zarbee's products. So these start out at $6.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.95. All right, next up, we have a 1-off-1 for the Gas X products. So these are priced at $3.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.65. Now, moving right along, we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon on the DG Health Tussin or Cold and Flu Relief products. So if you want to pick up the Tussin, those are priced at $2.85. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.85. Or if you want to pick up the 18-count tablets, these are priced at $2.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.65. Next up, we have a 1-off-1 for the Rexall vitamins. So if you want to pick up the vitamin D 360 count, those are priced at $2.15. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.15. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 for the Colgate toothpaste. So if you want to pick up the Max Fresh toothpaste, those are priced at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. Now, we also received a 5-off-1 digital coupon for the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. These are priced at $7.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. Now, we also received a 2-off-1 for the Colgate mouthwash and the 360 toothbrushes. All of these are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Next up, we have a $2.50 off 1 digital coupon on the Biotin mouthwash. These are priced at $4.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 for the Crest toothpaste. If you want to pick up the Pro Health, these are priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. And we also received a new 2-off-1 for the Oral-B toothbrushes. If you want to pick up the Indicator toothbrush 2-count, these are priced at $3.35, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. Next up, we have a 2-off-1 for the Huggies diapers. These are priced at $10.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $8.95. And we also received a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon on the Huggies wipes. These are priced at $2.65, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.15. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and get into our glitch list. But first, if you haven't done it already, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And we have a total of 20 glitches to go over. Most of them are brand new glitches. I believe there's only about 2 that rolled over from last week. So let's go ahead and get into this. Alright, so first up, we have this 1-off-1 digital coupon on the Sparkle 6-count paper towels. This one is glitching. I'm working on the 2-count paper towels. These are priced at $3.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.95. Alright, next up, we have this $6 off coupon on the Swiffer products. You're supposed to pick up one of the starter kits and one of the refills, but this is working whenever you just purchase 2 of the refills. They're priced at $5.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 2. Next up, we have this 50-cent off 1 digital coupon on the Lysol products. This is glitching, working on the multi-surface cleaners for $1. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. Alright, next up, we have the 75-cent off 1 digital coupon on the 9 Lives cat food. If you want to pick up the 12-ounce bags, those are priced at $1.35, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 60 cents. And then next up, we also still have that 75-cent off 1 digital coupon on the Suave deodorants. If you want to pick up the 1.4-ounce deodorants, those are also priced at $1.35, so after the coupon, you're going to pay 60 cents. Alright, moving right along, we have this 175 off 1 digital coupon for the Airwick products. This one is glitching. I'm working on the Airwick warmers. These are priced at $2.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. Next up, we have the Head & Shoulders glitch. It is back. We have this 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Head & Shoulders products. It is working on the travel size shampoos. These are priced at $2 each, so pick up 2. Use that coupon. You're going to pay $1 for 2. Next up, we have a 1-off 1 for the Dial body wash. This one is working on the travel size. Those are priced at $2.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.25. Moving right along, we have this 5 off 3 digital coupon on the Olay products. This one is glitching and working on the 2-count bar soaps. These are priced at $3.25, so pick up 3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75 for 3. Now, here's the one that I was trying to tell y'all about yesterday. We have the Olay Travel Size Body Wash. These are priced at $1.30 each. If you can find 3, use this coupon. That is going to make all 3 completely free, plus give you $1.10 in overage. Alright, next up, we have a 1 off 2 for the Old Spice products. This one is glitching. I'm working on the travel size deodorants. These are priced at $1.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for 2. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the emergency products. This one is glitching. I'm working on the 2-count emergencies. These are priced at $1. After the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Alright, next up, we have that 4 off 1 digital coupon on the Centrum vitamins. If you can find the Centrum minis, those are priced at $3. After the coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. And moving right along, we have that 2 off 1 digital coupon on the Colgate mouthwash and the 360 toothbrushes. This one is glitching. I'm working on the Colgate Slim Charcoal toothbrush as well as the Colgate Max White toothbrushes. These are both priced at $3.35, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. Alright, next up, we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon on the Fix-A-Dent multi-packs, but this one is glitching. I'm working on the single Fix-A-Dent Plus Precision Hold and Seal. These are priced at $6.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. Alright guys, so we are almost to the end. Next up, we have this 2 off 1 digital coupon on the Crest toothpaste. It is glitching and working on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1 found in the dollar aisle. So pick up one of those, use that coupon, and that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. And we also received a new 2 off 1 digital coupon on the Oral-B toothbrushes. This one is glitching and working on the Bright and Clean toothbrush for $1. So after that coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. Alright, and last but certainly not least, we have a new glitch on the Dr. Pepper 2 liters. So, as you all saw earlier in the video, we have the Dr. Pepper 2 liters. They are on sale this week, 3 for $3. Now, we also have a 2 off 10 DG store coupon. So, typically, in order to use that coupon, we would have to add a total of 10 or more to our list or to our cart for that coupon to apply. However, this coupon is glitching. It is picking up the original price at $22.50. The Dollar General app is applying the sale plus the coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $7 for 9 2 liters. Now, this deal gets even better because you can actually drop it down to 6 2 liters. Now, with that sale, we should just pay $6. However, that coupon is applying as well, so that's going to leave you paying $4 for 6 2 liters. Alright guys, so there you have it for our good deals and glitch list for Dollar General so far this week, but make sure that y'all stick around because I have even more deals to share with you all. So make sure that you have your notifications turned on, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.